That's why you must see yourself as an eagle and not a chicken. Lalela kutshela ukuthi lenza nalifike epointini la ngakhona ukuphapha. The beak is blunt and the claws of the eagle are blunt, and even the feathers are heavy on the eagle. And lalela, an eagle eat meat. An eagle is a carnivore. Lalela, bese lokhozi lenzani? It must decide at the age of 14 ukuthi ngifuna ukufa noma ngifuna ukuphila. Nalifuna ukuphila, it must make a critical decision. Yasiyenzani? Ithatha lo mlomo ohlebako. It takes the beak, lo mlomo odela abotishara, lo mlomo odelela abazali. It takes the beak, iwushaye phezu kwedwala until the beak fall apart and the blood will spit out. Bese yahlala days and days without food and water. Bese the beak regrow. When the beak regrow, bese ithatha lama-claws wawo iwadabule. Dabanga idabula ama-claws. Uyazi izipho nayidabuka ukuthi ubuhlungu njani, mara yona ithi apart the claws. Bese yahlala ilinda lama-claws amile. After lapho ithathe lamasiba iwakhiphe one by one. Ikhiphe abortion, ikhiphe disrespect, ikhiphe fornication, ikhiphe ukudelela, ikhiphe inhlonipho engekho. Ngicela ukuvala ngala magama. Listen. Senyavala, ngicela ukusho lo. Lalelani. This is what the eagle does. I'm burning. Can I take this off? I'm tired. I want to say the following. Listen to this. This is the last part. Listen, we pray. There comes a time where the eagle feels where it wants to give birth. It does not run for abortion. You know what it does? It looks for briars and sticks. Yofuna magoto. Bese namanyeva yakha ini igede. Bese ibulala a rabbit noma unogwaja or a sheep, a scap on Afrikaans. Ithathe lo boya. Nayide ubulala unogwaja or rabbit or a sheep. Ithathe lo boya ifake phakathi kwale gede. Lalela. Nayide ukuyifaka labantwana nabazalwa nabadla bayanona. And the more they come down, the thorns goes up. When they come down, bese kenzekani? There comes a time when mama will land on the nest. Athathe labantwana babeke esibhakabhakeni.